Now, that being said, of course, it's going to make mistakes. So for example, sometimes it likes to cram a lot of information, a lot of lines, and it's not smart enough to know that it's not able to cram all of this stuff in a way that makes sense. So for example, you can see it's trying to put like so many features in a space that doesn't allow it to do, and that's where it struggles. So over time, you kind of understand how to deal with these things, with these pitfalls, and then you overcome it. And this is where you, as a human, you become better at kind of like making these micro decisions in a split second. And then you say, oh, this is wrong, right? Fix this.
I've been building a lot of AI products lately. My job search OS has 16 different agents. My newsletter has a recommendation engine, and I kept running into the same problem. I'd ship something, it would work in my testing, and then I'd get messages from users saying it's hallucinating or picking the wrong tool. The issue wasn't the prompts or the tools, it was that I wasn't actually evaluating anything. I didn't have a way to see what my agent was actually doing step by step. Every tool call, every decision. That's where Arize comes in. Let me show you. I'm going to open Claude Code and install Arize with just one command. npx skills, add Arize AI, Arize skills, skill yes. Now Claude Code already knows how to instrument my agent. I tell it set up tracing to Arize, and it automatically analyzes my code base, figures out where the LLM and tool calls are, and adds instrumentation automatically. Now I can see everything, every trace, every span, every decision. And more importantly, I can evaluate it. That's the shift. Trace what's happening, evaluate where it fails, then fix it. This trace right here, my resume feedback agent was supposed to pull the company's tech stack from the job posting, but instead it hallucinated that they use React when the posting said Python. I never would have caught that without seeing the trace. And here's the part that blew my mind. I asked Claude Code to look at these traces and tell me what I should be evaluating. It came back with 4 eval criteria I hadn't written. Things like picking the right tool and staying grounded in the input. I wrote the evals, ran them, and found that my agent was making the same kind of mistake about 12% of the time. Claude pushed to fix, I reran the evals, and it dropped to under 2%. That whole loop, trace, evaluate, fix, took me about 20 minutes, and now it runs automatically. If you're building AI products and not evaluating them, you're shipping blind. Try Arize free at arize.com and get a year free, a $1,260 value with my bundle, Arize. Check it out. It's one of the top AI evals platforms used by all of the top AI teams for a reason. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.